So let's do number 2 right now. So your number 2, your number 2, I want you to inherit from string. We want to see inherit from string, because once you inherit from string, you have a lot thing you can do from the string library. Okay, so let's see right now. All right, so let's create a new project. C++. Okay, MPT project. Let's call this one chapter 12 right now. 12. Is that right? All right, string practice 2. It's okay. All right, so right click it, new item. Oh, sorry, I need to create a class. Sorry. So right click it, add a new class, add a class. Okay. All right, so the class name I am going to say is displayArray. I'm just going to call class displayArray. All right, can you do that? And the base class, the base class is string. So I'm going to inherit from string. It's okay. The base class is string. Okay, right now, hit okay. All right, so of course they don't understand. You need to have the string. Oh, sorry. All right, so far okay. No, so they understand right now. So my displayArray inherit string class. It's okay. We are going to do this. We supposed to have private, but we don't have. Okay, we just want to show how do you use a public. Okay. So at the public here, I am going to do this. It's okay. I am going to display. This is my constructor. It's okay. Control C, Control V. All right. So, and what I'm going to do is I am going to initialize my S. But this S initialize is actually is going to from my ancestor to do it. All right. So remember this part. All right. So I have only one S. Okay. But I inherit from string. So I have no right to do it. String will do it for me. Is that okay? So once I finish, I do display. So far, okay. All right. So this is my display string class, and that's have our display. Write it down. Okay. So I'm going to put this thing. How about here? Okay, so I can see. And let me word wrap here. It's okay. There we go. Okay, so right here, let's see right now. Okay, so boys and girls, we're going to display right now. All right. So when we display here, now remember, string is a character array. Okay, string is a character array. Okay, so when I display here, I am going to say here is integer counter is okay and equals 0. And you are going to say 4, okay, integer I equal 0 is okay. I less than length. I'm supposed to have length right now. They didn't do that. Okay, let's have include here. Supposed. Oh, hold on. I wrote it wrong. Alright. So now you automatically have length. You automatically have length. That's from your library. Okay? So once you do that and you do cout. Alright. So what you're going to do is, alright, so you are going to write that array. Okay? You are going to write that string right here. But that string, you don't see that string. Oh, by the way, I also need to include the IO string. Sorry. Okay. Uh, so right here now. So gentlemen, ladies, you are going to see out this guy. You are going to see out this guy. But this guy is right now you don't see anything. Is that right? You're waiting later to do it. So you are going to create the address first. You're going to create the address first. So there's nothing yet. I don't have anything. You're going to create address. Okay. So you're going to say from your ancestor. All right. That's the address. Okay. Then the size and I. All right. You're going to do like that. And cout end of line. Okay. Okay. Make sure you do that. Then let's continue. It's okay. Let's continue. Then we are going to do this right now. Okay. Let me drag this a little bit here. Okay. So I'm going to add a new item right now in C++. And this time I'm going to say use display. Okay. I'm going to do that right now. And I am going to put my display right here. Okay, so I squeeze my thing to here, so to be a little bit more. And okay, so let me start to write right now. So the golden 7 line. Okay, first I need to have my header file. All right. All right. So you are going to create a class, and you're going to display them, and you're not going to use whatever loop right here. So you're going to say this. Okay, string word, any word. Okay, and so cout enter a word. Okay, enter any word right here. It's okay. Then you're going to say get line. All right. Then we need a string. Okay, so cin word. Okay. All right. So I'm going to continue right here. Is that okay? So then Let me see right here. Okay, so I got that part right now. All right, say then. All right, so yeah, okay. So now I need to do this. I have a I have my class is called display array. Okay, watch how I initialize this. Watch how I initialize. It is different from like display, and we usually say war. All right, this is a normal way, but for string you have to do this. That's why I need to practice with you. Okay, you have to do this way. All right, it is awkward, but you need to memorize. That was the awkward mistake. They did it before, but that we cannot fix anymore. We just need to memorize. All right. Now, your and thing here, right now, you are going to use this string. Okay? You don't use your word. You're going to use your string right now and display. All right? So, this is very awkward. That's why we need to teach you. Okay? So when you learn this, you'll find out why. Because you are inherit string. But the reason is you use this a lot when you are doing the internet application. Is that right? So you have to remember this is how we initialize whatever word you str. So in the internet, who cares? You type a name is Jeffrey or Kristen, this and that. I don't need to create a variable name for you. I'm going to use universal name. Do you understand that? Then universal name to display because we use this to be more powerful. Okay, so let's build it right now. So enter a word midterm exam. All right, so midterm exam. Understand? So this one, and we will ask you from now on when you deal with string, I will ask you to always inherit string. Once you inherit string, we are going to use strings functions. Okay, we're going to use strings function. So right now I finished this the second classwork. Is that okay?